Advanced SysML Training, hands-on project-based creating SysML models. Advanced SysML Training, figure out how to make SysML models utilizing instruments and systems. Numerous framework demonstrating illustration are accessible to browse all through the course, including car, airships, UAV, UGV, helicopters, transportation frameworks, and then some. Using SysML tools during the hands-on sessions, attendees will create SysML models with a representative SysML tool, including SysML Requirements Diagram, SysML Use Case Diagram, SysML Block Definition Diagram, SysML Internal Block Diagram, SysML Parametric Diagram, SysML Package Diagram, SysML Activity Diagram, SysML Sequence Diagram, SysML State Machine Diagram. Learning objectives. Endless supply of this hands-on SysML training course. The participants can comprehend the fundamental ideas driving MBSE and SysML. Distinguish the additional estimation of SysML. Depict what SysML models are. Make frameworks building forms utilizing SysML models. Investigate why and how to assemble SysML models. Run down SysML ideas and graphs with devices. Comprehend different sorts of SysML charts and identify with their major builds. Make intents to make and send SysML for your MBSE. Actualize SysML ideas utilizing an agent instrument. Make models in an SysML apparatus. Build SysML models with apparatuses. Create SysML action models. Create advanced basic and social displaying strategies. Confirm and approve framework necessities. Comprehend difficulties of actualizing SysML models, including the specialized and authoritative issues. Design particular MBSE designs prerequisites vital for your association. Course agenda. Introduction to Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, and SysML. SysML Overview. The syntax of SysML diagrams. Diagram techniques. Use case, requirement, activity, block definition. Lifecycle phases with MBSE using SysML. System analysis. Developing ConOps with use cases. Requirements analysis. System architecture and building blocks. Low-level design. System testing. Verification and validation, 5 and 5. Modeling with SysML. SysML model integrity. Quality guidelines. Model metrics. Interface-based design. Component-based design. SysML diagram techniques. Internal block, sequence, state machine, parametric, package, allocation tables. Learn more about advanced SysML training. Visit Tonex.com.